Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a twist out using Mielle Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream as well as the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. On the back section of hair, I am now applying the leave-in conditioner all over, making sure to blend that in very well. And right here, I am applying the styling cream to a small section of hair, making sure to get that on all of my strands from top to bottom. And once I am sure all of my strands are coated with the product, I detangle my hair and I begin to do my two-strand twist. And also I wanted to mention that on the back of the bottle to the styling cream, it says that this cream is actually a cream gel. And also, I wanted to mention that the leave-in conditioner is a new product that they just added to the Rosemary Mint collection. And I have to say, I really like it, and it's a great deal. It's only $5 right now on the Mielle website. And both products smell really good. They smell really, really good. They have my hair smelling fresh all day. So I'm just moving on to this next section of hair, and I'm doing the exact same thing. I am applying the cream onto all of my strands, and then I will begin to detangle my ends, and then I will do my two-strand twist. Once I am finished with all of my hair, I will be back. Okay, it is now the next day. My hair is completely dry. I am applying the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Oil onto my scalp. Once I have covered all my scalp with the oil, I will just do a scalp massage with my fingers, and then I will spread some oil onto my twist also. Also, the styling cream gave my hair a whole lot of shine and hold. My hair actually had a slight crunch, but once I applied the oil, it took away some of that crunch. And as far as moisture, my hair was moisturized, but I'm not sure if it was from the styling cream or from the leave-in conditioner, or both. I'm not sure. But my hair did have hold, and it did have moisture, and it had a ton of shine. And that oil gives your hair a lot of shine and moisture. That's one of my favorite oils to use on my hair. Okay, I'm just taking down my twists. I'm carefully taking them down to prevent getting too much frizz. And as you can see, my curls are very well defined. One thing that I really appreciate from Creme gels is that it gives my hair definition and it gives my hair a lot of hold. And right here, I decided to add a little bit more of the oil to give my hair some more shine. And once the oil is absorbed into my hair, I will begin to do my separating. And I will just continue to separate until I have the desired fullness that I'm looking for. Then I will grab my pick and hide some of those visible parts as well as lift my roots. Once I am done moving my hair around with my fingers and using my pick to get my desired style, the look will be complete. And I hope you like my video. If so, could you please hit that thumbs up button? And if you'd like to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel as well as hit the notification bell so you will be notified for all of my future videos. And thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.